Very good evening all. This is Praveen Kumar from Zebu and Wealth Management Private Limited, and this session is about the market closing analysis. And today is a weekly expiry, as we are well aware about it, and we have found out that double side movement, that is a very volatile weekly expiry. It's not like a bearish weekly expiry and also bullish weekly expiry. Whatever the morning the gap down have formed, till morning session it came down to the level, then it come recover and it was closed on a whatever the opening level itself. So we will see about nifty future. If you see, yesterday's close is around 80,216, but today it was opened around 18,090 18,110, nearly 106 points of gap down opening we have seen in nifty future. But from 18,110 level, the down the line came till 18,030 level, and the higher level is out 18,149 we have seen. So this is the level of nifty future of traded from the lower level of 18,030 and the higher level of 18,149, nearly 119 points of volatility was there in nifty future. If you see, same like that, if you see about bank nifty future was a little bit more strong in the morning, but afterward it was also tends to the bearish mode according to the nifty movement. If you see about the bank nifty futures, yesterday's close is around 41,926, and today it was opened around 41,550. And morning itself, the open itself, the low, that is 41,550 is the low made. After that it went up to the high level of 41,794 to the high, and the low is 41,469 level. So nearly, if you see, 330 points or 320 points of volatility was there in bank nifty futures also. Let us see how the world markets, how it depends. So if you see about the European markets have started with a negative note, that is FTSE was trading on 0.43% minus, and CAC on 0.70% minus, and DAX on 0.20% minus it is trading. So our market after 130 also, it's not that much recovered, and it not turns to the bullish mode if you are seeing. Okay, coming to the point of any other news are there for today's market. If you see, Bharat Electronics have signed an MOU with a Goa shipyard, we have seen, and some of the positive results have came with the quarterly results. Some of the companies are coming up with the positive quarterly results, which all the companies. If you see, Samvardhana, Motherson International, and Surya Roshni, and Ratnamani Metals and Amp Tubes, and West Coast Paper Mills, Oil India, then Deepak Fertilizers, then Newland Laboratories, and Kirloskar Brothers, Nesco, Rattan India Enterprises, then Gujarat Gas, TVS Sri Chakra, then Uno Minda, then Kalyan Jewellers, Indaco Remedies, and Lincoln Pharma. These are all companies are coming up with the quarterly results of positive results, and some of the companies are coming up with the negative quarterly results, that is of Prism Johnson, then Zydus Wellness, Neil Kamal, then Sandhar Technologies, then Natco Pharma, PFC, then BASF India, and VRL Logistics, then Page Industries and Rights. So these are the companies coming up with the negative results. And moreover, if you see about PTC Industries companies have signed up MOU with Bharat Dynamics, it's saying, and Malagan Dock Shipbuilders. Positive results they have given a positive results, and they have announced a dividend of rupees 9.10 per share likewise. Then PSP projects wins a large order worth of 1711 crores. Their market cap is around 2200 crores. These are all the major news we are seeing today, and we will see how the sector wise performance happened today likewise. If you see about Nifty Bank is closed on minus 0.43%, and Nifty Auto is minus 1.95%, then financial services on minus 0.77%, then PSU banks on minus 1.28%, then private banks on 0.34% respectively, and healthcare is on minus 0.84%, then consumer durables on minus 1.18%, then oil and gas is around minus 0.76%. Maximum, and all the sectors are all closed on a negative note we are seeing in this thing, because the market is also negative 10 we have closed. Okay, And top gainers and top losers of the today's movement in Nifty, if you see, Hero Motor Corporation is around 2.39% positive, and HDFC Bank in 1.24% positive. Then Kotak Bank is 1.07% positive. Then ONGC 0.90% positive. Then Bharati Airtel 0.85% positive. These are all the companies coming under the top gainers list in the Nifty performance today. And top losers of today's movement is that Tata Motors minus 4.61%, then Axis Bank minus 3.70%, M&M minus 3.07%, then Bajaj Finserv is minus 2.72%, then Titan minus 2.60%. These are all the companies coming under the top losers sectors now. And if you see about the market performance, how well the market was, that today we have found a very volatile market, you see, and how the options movement we have seen today. If you see, yeah, I will show you today's performance. I will tell you about the today's performance, how the Nifty performed today. It's a 15 minutes candle I am telling you now. Market was opened at 18,110 level, and at the time the high made is around 18,149. In first 15 minutes candle itself, the high made towards 18,149, but further it was not broken the high, and it made lower low likewise. If you see, the first candle's low is 18,110 only, but the second candle's low is 18,081. So whenever we have told in the morning session itself, whenever 18,080 is below 18,080 level, then we can go for a short. Likewise, we are told with the stop loss of 18,150 likewise. Then the low further made towards 18,030 level, nearly 50 points. So at that time I have given the target of 30 to 50 points. Likewise, this is my view. I have shared you in the morning. The same thing was achieved, I think. But later, after 1 o'clock timing, the market got recovered to the level of 18,109. Nearly 79 points have moved upside from the lower level, and it was close to the level of 18,097 level Nifty. So further, if we see how the market, that is Nifty, will open tomorrow, if the global market supports our market, then we can have a gap up market, or else we can have a flat opening tomorrow, can be a possible one. Whether gap up or a flat opening, we can expect tomorrow's movement. And if you see about the Bank Nifty future, yes, Bank Nifty future morning, it was open to the level of 41,550 level. So further, how it made is that 41,794 is the high at the end we have seen. But before that, low made is around 41,469. So how the low have achieved? If you see about today's performance about Bank Nifty future, yes, morning first 15 minutes itself, the high made towards 41,794. After that, the Bank Nifty future was traded on the consolidated move. The first 15 minutes low is 41,550 till the level of 12 o'clock. The low was not broken. After 12 o'clock only, that 41,550 was broken. Till 12 o'clock, the high and the low was not broken the level. So consolidated trade have happened. After 12 o'clock, it moved down to the level of 41,469 level. Then it got recovered to the level of 41,757, the high made. Nearly 300 points got recovered after that is after 12:50 likewise. So from 1 o'clock, if you consider 2 hours to 2.5 hours, it recovered 300 points. We have got recovery in Bank Nifty. How the options movement, if you see about 18,100 put option Nifty, the low made is around 37.90, and now the close is around 71. So if you would have bought at the 40 rupees value, the value of investment would be around 2,000 rupees. This is our risk factor towards our risk factor is 2,000. If we have bought at 2,000 level, then the value we got is the double the value, and it went up to the level of 71. Nearly another 30 points have moved. So nearly we would have made a profit of 1,500 likewise in 18,100 Nifty put option. These are the opportunity I am saying, how the options opportunity was there. If you see about a 17,900 call option, even 17,900 call option, the low made is 78 is the low made. If you would have bought at 80 or 90 even, our investment would be around 4,500, but the close is around 128. 128 in the sense nearly 40 points or 50 points have moved upside. So if you see, if you would have bought at 90 and you are covering at 120 also, you can make a profit of 30 points. Around 1500 can be a profitable one. If investment of 4000, 1500 is a good return, I am saying. So this kind of opportunity is there in option segment. Even the market is very volatile or consolidated move, we can able to tap this opportunity. But only thing is that we need to enter into the correct time and the correct trend. So if you see about Bank Nifty options, that is 41,500 call option. If you see 41,500 call option, the low made is 9.35, so nearly 10. If the premium, if we invested at the premium of 10 rupees, the premium that our investment would be only 250, but the closing is around 105, nearly 2500 rupees of profit we can make. So this kind of opportunity was there in 41,500 Bank Nifty call option. So these are all the opportunity where we can tap in the market. We would have identified the correct trend in the market. So we can concentrate on options with a little bit of risk we can take it. Okay, for further tomorrow how the market will be, if you see, if the global market supports our market, that is, if the global markets are positive, we can have a gap up in our Nifty future towards 30 to 60 points of gap up open we can see, and Bank Nifty towards 150 we can see, nearly 150 points if the global market supports. If the global markets also weaken, means then we can have another 100 points of gap down in Nifty future and 250 points to 300 points of gap down in Bank Nifty future we can see. But the Nifty and Bank Nifty are not sustaining the lower level, and it tend to the higher level also. So we can expect a little bit bullish movement for tomorrow. So this is my view I am sharing you now. If you want to trade in this view, before that you need to discuss with your investment advisor or your wealth managers, then you can enter into that trade. So this session would be useful for you, I think. So thank you for watching this session. If you have any doubts, you can comment on a comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.